Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is very fine. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss about chapter number 4, section number 2, that is types of forest. Types of forest. This chapter is very much important in this lesson. Today at the end of this chapter, we have come to know about classifying and describe of the forest, comparison between the forest, prospects of forest in Bangladesh, and also various kinds of important questions and board questions related to applied and higher order ability-based question. So let's start my lecture. First of all, you have to know about what are the classification of forest. Main classification based of origin, that is natural and artificial. Natural forest means the forest which are grown naturally, and artificial forest means which are grown artificially. For example, artificial forest here, hill forest, plainland and mangrove forest. And obviously natural forest is social forest, which can be grown roadside or in the meadowland. Now, differences or comparison between the forest, that is hill forest, plainland and mangrove forest. Very much important for your question, and one question will come from this part. The differences, please attentive. First of all, definition. Hill forest. In case of hill forest, the definition is the forest which is grown naturally or which is naturally grown. Otherwise, this forest is the most important example for natural forest. Now, plainland forest is the forest which is grown in flood-free land, And finally, mangrove forest, the forest which is grown in coastal saline water, which is waterlogging condition. Now, area. What are the area? Hill forest. In case of hill forest, 30.15 lakh hectare is the area coverage, and most widely used area covers among the plainland and mangrove forest. Now, plainland forest area is 1.35 lakh hectare, and mangrove forest. In case of mangrove forest, 6.107 lakh hectare. This area is very much important for your MCQ question. Now, distribution. Number 3. For number 3, distribution. Rangamati, Bandharban, Khagrachari, and some of the forests, that is Sylhet and Chittagong periods, are grown in distribution coverage area in case of hilly forest. Now, plainland forest. In case of plainland forest, Dhaka, Bhal, Madhupur, etc., and some middle portion of the Mymensingh, Tangai, etc., are presenting in plainland forest. And in case of mangrove forest, Khulna, Bagherhat, Sundarban. Mangrove forest, the widely used, Sundarban is the widely used or largest area of mangrove forest. Khulna, Bagherhat, Satkhira, etc. are the area covered in case of mangrove forest. Now, animals. Some important animals, that is deer, etc., are elephant, monkey, etc. are most widely used animals in case of hilly forest. Now, plainland forest, rabbit, bear, etc. are the most widely used example for plainland forest. And in case of mangrove forest, tiger, deer, very much important, monkey, widely used importance for mangrove forest example. And Royal Bengal tiger is the most important example for mangrove forest. Now, plants. What are the main plants? Teak, Gora, etc. are the main example for hill forest. This is the plant example. Now, plainland forest. In case of plainland forest, Shal is the main forest. Shal is the main forest in case of plainland forest, and Shal, Kori are the most widely used plant example for Shal for plainland forest. And now finally, mangrove forest, Sundari, Keora, Golbata, etc. are the most widely used example for plant species Here you can keep your mind one thing. Sundari is the main tree. Sundari is the main example. Sundari is the main example for mangrove forest. Sundari is the main example for mangrove forest and very much important for your MCQ question. So students, this differences or comparison is very much important for your CQ exam, that is triple star. I again say, in case of passive definition, area, distribution, animals, plants, and these are the definition, area coverage, distribution, animals, and also plant species example in case of these differences. This is also very important for your aptitude based question. Now here we come that what are the prospects of forest in Bangladesh? What are the prospects of forest in Bangladesh? Here some examples you can see. Soil characteristics and climate are favorable. Soil characteristics and climate are favorable. Okay. Now many tree species can be cultivated in case of prospects of Bangladesh. In case of Bangladesh, that is various kinds of tree species can be cultivated so that many kinds of forest resources can be grown up in Bangladesh, and obviously they can develop in our socio-economic development in Bangladesh. Now many kinds of animal species also present here. Many kinds of animal species, that is Royal tiger, such kinds of deer, etc. are very much important species in Bangladesh in case of those forest examples of forest types in Bangladesh. So these are the most important prospects of Bangladesh. Now the most important part of the chapter, that is discussion about important board question related to applied and higher order ability based question. Let's start. Dear students, now come to the main part. Discussion about some important board questions that will be very much important for your next exam or your board exam. First of all, I will discuss about Dhaka board. One important question, Dhaka board 2017. Dhaka board 2017. Here is the important step. Wasn't angry. In his spare time, he lived in Rangamati district. Rangamati district, most probably you have all known about this district. The forest of this district is Fili forest. His only grandson, Shimul, has come to visit Sundarban with him after SSC examination. And Shimul was familiar with shal and forest trees in this area. He came Sundarban, that is the mangrove forest. I told you before, I discussed you before, the mangrove forest, that is Sundarban, and Shimul was familiar with the shal and forest trees in this area. Here he was facilitated to see many unfamiliar plants and animals, including beautification trees. Here in this Sundarban or Khulna Balinghar district in the mangrove forest, some unfamiliar trees may be present, which are totally different with the shal forest or plain forest or hilly forest. Now, see, Grandpa said that the plants and animals of the forest that he had seen in the childhood did not catch his eyes. Those trees which were seen in childhood by Grandpa, but nowadays those trees are not present because due to huge population or increasing huge population in Bangladesh, people are cutting down more and more trees so that environmental pollution can be hampered. So now in this side, because people are cutting down these trees indiscriminately, people are cutting down these trees indiscriminately. This two forests shown by Shimul according to the stream. Dear students, we can see that according to the stream, Shimul see the two forests. In case of two forests, that is one is cedar forest and another is mangrove forest. Shimul, the unfamiliar place which is present in Sundarban or mangrove forest, Shimul, those forests are very much unfamiliar to Shimul. So, the comparison between these two forests, that is cedar forest and Sundarban or mangrove forest, here is the answer of this question. I have discussed you before the differences between hilly forest and Sundarban or mangrove forest. I again say, in case of in comparison or differences between hilly forest and mangrove or Sundarban forest, that is first of all definition. In case of hilly forest, the forest which is grown in naturally in the hilly tracts of hilly region, that is Sylhet or Chittagong tracts, Rangamati, Bandharban, Khagrachari, etc. And in case of mangrove or Sundarban forest, that is the forest which is grown in coastal saline water where waterlogging condition is present. This is the definition of coastal regions forest or Sundarban mangrove forest. Now number 2, area coverage. 13.15 lakh hectare area in case of hilly forest and 6.107 lakh hectare area in case of Sundarban or mangrove forest. Now thirdly, major plants. Major plants in case of hilly forest, teak plants are major plants. Also shrub plants are also very major, one of the most important example for hilly forest. And in case of mangrove forest, Sundari is the main plant in case of mangrove forest. Now the one more animals, that is in case of hilly forest, that elephant is the most important animal or important example of hilly forest, that is elephant, deer, monkey, etc. And in case of mangrove or Sundarban forest, that is Royal Bengal tiger is most important example for Sundarban or mangrove forest, Royal Bengal tiger. Now the present situation is peoples are cutting down more and more trees in case of both hilly forest and Sundarban forest due to huge population, because the population percentage or population density is increasing day by day in Bangladesh. For this reason, people need to build up or construct the house. So for this household building construction, people are cutting down more and more trees, and for this reason, environment may be degraded or may play a harmful effect in Bangladesh. This is all about the attendance question, that is question number C. Now question number D, most important question in this game, that is higher order algebra question, and marks point is 4. Analyze the reasons. Analyze the reasons why plants and animals of the forest which was seen in the childhood by grandpa that are not seen now. The grandpa told Shimul or his grandson that the plants which was seen by him in his childhood, but now those plants are not seen there. These plants are degraded almost. Why? What is the reason behind this? The main reason is people are cutting down more and more to build construction. Another reasons are some household construction. People are cutting down trees for household construction, for natural digesters. Some natural digesters which are very much which may effect in Bangladesh. In case of natural digesters, some examples are flood, storm, drought, etc. are the most important example for natural digester. For the geographical location of Bangladesh, this natural digester may play harmful effect in Bangladesh. So, for this reason also, forests are degrading day by day. Now, extinction of wild animals. Obviously, due to extinction of wild animals, forests may be degraded day by day. Now, the increasing density of population. I told you before, due to increasing density of population, for people are cutting down trees, and for this reason forest also decreasing day by day. Suppose Royal Bengal tiger is the most widely used example for Sundarban mangrove forest. This tiger most probably almost decreasing day by day. So the number or amount of this tiger is also less in day by day. So for this reason, forest also decreasing day by day. And these are the most important examples or important reasons for wildlife and animals in the forest who were seen in the childhood by grandpa that are not seen now. Dear students, now one more important board question that comes from Kakago 2019. This question is very much important for you. Here in the figure, two figures come, that is one is plain forest, another is band of forest. Figure 1 and figure 2. The question number C, that is apply this question. Explain the criteria of the forest mentioned in the figure number 2. Here figure number 2 indicating band of forest. You should answer that. In the figure number 2, the forest shown in the figure number 2, that is band of forest or Sundarban. And here are the criteria. I told you before the criteria of the band of forest, that is first of all definition. You should write down definition. Secondly, area coverage. Thirdly, major animals. Fourthly, major plants. Next, major illegal instruction due to people growth and development, and finally development of socio-economic development in Bangladesh. Now these are the more important criteria I have discussed you before. Finally, question number D, that is higher order ability question. Which of the following forests mentioned in the figure number 1 and 2 can be created more in Bangladesh? Analyze. Students, say identity. Due to figure N and 2, one is plainland forest and another is mangrove forest. In Bangladesh, sweet water is present in Bangladesh, but salad water is absent is less amount in Bangladesh. So, plainland forest also very much easily created in Bangladesh and can be created more in Bangladesh. Figure number 1, that is plainland forest, and because most of the land is plain in Bangladesh. For this reason, plainland forest can be easily created in Bangladesh, and this is the most important answer of the question number D, that is applied based question. And see the students, here figure number 1 and 2. 2 is the criteria of the mangrove forest, and another 1 is the most easily created forest in Bangladesh, and this is the analyzation. Now we have come to the end part of my lesson. In my lesson I have discussed previously. First of all, classification and history of the forest. Secondly, I discussed about comparison between the forest. This is very much important question. For your exam. And finally, I discussed prospects of forest. And most important partly, I have discussed important board questions in related to applied and higher order ability based question. Now students, hopefully you have all understood this very well. If you have any inquiry, then please consult with your subject teacher. So for that, Allah Hafiz.